All right, number 13, we have ln of x plus 5 equals ln of 12x. So this is basically an algebra problem. Both the ln's on each side of the equation, we just have one natural log term. So all we're doing is focusing on making the x plus 5 equal to the 12x because everything else is the same. So we're just going to do x plus 5 equals 12x. If we subtract x from both sides, that will leave us with 5 equals 11x. And then you divide by 11 to get x by itself. And then you get 5 over 11 is equal to x. So 5 over 11 will be positive here and will also give us a positive answer here. So that means it will work as a solution. So division bar 5 and then 11 on the bottom. All right, number 14. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use the property of log. So I see that we're adding. I see that the base is the same. So I'm going to write 1 log with this x minus 4 being multiplied to the x plus 5. And then on the right side, I'm going to leave the log base 12 of 5x as it is. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use the property as I write down the problem. So on the left side, we have log base 12, and then the argument is going to be x minus 4 times x plus 5. And then it equals log base 12 of 5x plus 1. All right, so again, algebra, we're going to set this, the arguments equal to each other. I'm going to go ahead and FOIL. So it's going to give me x squared. 5x minus 4x is going to give me 1x, positive. And then minus 20 equals 5x plus 1. Going to subtract 5x from both sides and subtract 1 to get one side equal to 0. Minus 5x, line it with its like term, and minus 1. Whatever you do to 1, you do to both sides. So that goes away, that goes away. On the right side, we're left with 0. On the left side, x squared minus 4x. This will be minus 21. And then we can see if this will factor. It may. Factors of 21 are 1 and 21, 3 and 7. Got to subtract to get 4, and 3 and 7 will subtract to give us 4. So 2 sets of parentheses. Split up the x squared, so x in both. The numbers that we found, 3 and 7, go in the back. Going left to right, the first sign is the sign of my bigger number, so that's negative. Second sign is negative, so that tells me they're going to be different. So this is going to be positive. Setting both terms equal to 0 and solving will give us x equals negative 3, and this will give us x equals positive 7. Last thing we got to do is check. If I plug in negative 3, will my answer come out positive? So if I plug in a negative 3 here, that'll give me a negative 15 plus 1, negative 14. So it doesn't work here. It's not going to work at all. So this one will not work. If I plug in a 7, that will come out positive. That will come out positive. Positive times a positive will be positive. And if I plug in a positive 7 here, this whole thing will be positive. So x equals 7 will be our only solution that works. Looks like it's freezing up. Refresh. It's thinking about it. It's moving. Okay, there we go. It's saved.